Welcome to the Advertiser dashboard for your mobile marketing platform. From this screen, you will be able to send messages, build a loyal customer base, create web pages, mobile coupons, QR codes, set appointment reminders, and more. To begin, you will need to create a keyword. Select Keywords under the Features tab, which is the first page you will see displayed on your dashboard. To request a custom keyword, type in the desired keyword and click the check button to see if it's available. If it is, you can click the Lease button to add it to your list of keywords. If you receive the message that the requested keyword is not available, you will need to choose a different keyword. Try to choose a keyword that is relevant to your specific business, such as your business or product name. Next, you will need to create an opt-in list. Select the Contacts tab at the top of your dashboard. Then click the Create New button at the top of the page and type in a name for your opt-in list. Then select your keyword from the list below. Click Add to add it to your opt-in list. Next, you will need to create a message that will be sent to your customers on their mobile phones when they first opt in. It is recommended that you include the name of your business. You may type that in the program sponsor field, then type your custom message. Select the number of desired messages per month. You have the choice to be notified of new opt-ins via the email address associated with your account. You may also include a coupon with this message by clicking the Add link at the bottom. You will need to create this coupon before you can attach it to your opt-in message. You have now created your first opt-in list. To test it out for yourself, simply text your keyword to the shortcode assigned to your account. You can find it on your main dashboard page in the top right corner. You will immediately receive the opt-in message followed by a coupon if you have included any. This completes our Getting Started tutorial. For more information about other features on your account dashboard, please watch our other video tutorials.